Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and realizing your business just spent the last 8 hours writing articles, capturing leads, and closing sales, all while you were asleep. This is the logic of automation. However, for most creators today, the morning routine looks very different. Instead of a self-running machine, you face a manual loop of drafting emails, formatting graphics, and writing social media posts one at a time. Relying on manual effort creates a physical ceiling. Your business can only grow as large as your individual energy and waking hours allow. This constraint is known as the time-capped bottleneck. This graph maps a traditional creator's revenue against their active working hours. The moment you step away from the keyboard, the revenue line flatlines to zero. Breaking this bottleneck requires removing yourself from the repetitive operational loops that keep the business running. Scaling effectively requires a system that executes tasks independently of your physical presence. Building this system requires deploying modern AI applications as a specialized digital workforce. Platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude act as a copywriting team, generating drafts and parsing complex text. NotebookLM and Perplexity operate as researchers, verifying facts across multiple sources. Canva AI handles the design duties, instantly formatting layouts and visual assets. 11 Labs manages the audio production department, converting text into high-quality voiceovers. You now have a capable corporate team available for very little cost, but because these tools cannot communicate with each other on their own, they remain idle. Connecting these specialists into a single unit requires an automation platform. Tools like Zapier, Make.com, and N8N function as the nervous system for your digital business. The process begins with a trigger, an external event like a new email or Stripe payment, signaling the system to start. The platform automatically commands downstream AI tools to execute tasks, moving data between specialists. This ensures the workflow completes without manual human input. To see this in motion, consider an automated ebook business. The moment a customer completes a purchase, the system activates. That purchase trigger tells the language AI to draft a personalized thank you email based on the buyer's data. At the same time, the trigger commands Canva to generate a custom graphic for the social media announcement. The promotional text is then pushed to 11 Labs to generate the accompanying audio. Finally, the automation platform combines the graphic and audio, posting the result to social channels. This entire multi-department workflow finishes in seconds, and the business owner never has to touch a single keyboard. This is an efficient machine, but it is not magic. It requires constant oversight and clear parameters to function correctly. Your role changes from manual laborer to system architect. You become responsible for the creative direction and quality control. Look at this schedule. When the routine operations are automated, hundreds of repetitive weekly tasks are permanently deleted and replaced by a single task, auditing the machine's output. In this landscape, wealth is no longer tied strictly to those who grind the hardest. It belongs to those who build the most resilient systems. Learning to implement these automated workflows today provides a significant competitive advantage over those still working by hand. These autonomous systems are already functioning in the background of successful modern companies. Subscribe to this channel to learn how to build your own.